Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this JATAZA 9-inch Android Auto and Apple CarPlay display screen. So this is for your car if you don't have a screen already. The screen itself, it's got one of these nice wrappers on it. Next you've got a big suction cup right here. So this will go ahead, and it's also sticky. It'll go ahead and stick on your dashboard. And then here we have the USB-C end and then the cigarette lighter end for your car. And you've also got an aux cable, which is nice for playing music. First thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this wrapper over this adhesive right here. So there you go. As you can see, very nice secure hold, but it also won't leave any marks behind. Next, I'm gonna take this mount and I'm gonna go ahead and press it down and then activate the suction cup with that. And as you can see, that is super firm on there. You can then go ahead and slide the bracket right there into those slots right there, like so. And then use these knobs to tighten the bracket in once you get the desired angle. So as you can see, it doesn't block much of my visibility at all. It's sitting quite low profile and you can tilt it whatever direction you want. So if the passenger wants to watch a movie or something, you can do that. I went ahead and plugged the cigarette lighter in there. It's nice that it also has a USB charging port so you can charge up your phone at the same time. And then I plugged that in there. I also plugged in the aux straight to my car radio so it'll play any music off my speakers. It also comes with a lower profile mount in case you don't need to do any of this tilting and stuff. Super clear display, really nicely laid out. It looks very professional. Aux, that's how I'd play my music. Bluetooth though, you can also play directly off the loudspeaker, so it's like you connect it straight to a speaker, or FM. So if you have an FM transmitter, you can do that as well. So it's super nice. This has everything that CarPlay has. You can see your phone's battery, you can see the connection. You can of course pan around on Apple Maps. You can activate Spotify, you can see all your messages, and you can use Siri, any type of voice commands you want to use, and then also navigation through the map, just like I just showed you. You can see all your apps on your phone. Then you've got Android Auto, you've got Android Cast, and AirPlay. That's really cool. You can actually, like, anything you see on your phone, you can mirror over to this screen. So that allows people to watch movies, allows people to just use this like a bigger phone screen. That's just a look at the AirPlay screen. I can't show how it works because I can't film at the same time, but you'd simply just connect to that Wi-Fi network and then go to screen mirroring on your iPhone and connect it up that way. So overall, I highly recommend this. Super sleek, really enhances my car. Thanks for watching.